Now I'd like to look at a multi-step conversion, and I think of this as multiple railroad track pieces for this type of conversion. So we're going to start off the same way. We're going to lay down our railroad tracks just to get the skeleton here, and start with our given 15 yards. So I have yards. My goal is to get to centimeters. So how many centimeters represents the same value, the same length as 15 yards? And I don't know about you, but I don't know how many centimeters there are in a yard. So now I have to start thinking about what I do know. So yards, I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So I could start with yards and go to feet with that. And then what else maybe do I know? I know how many inches are in a foot. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So that would get me from feet to inches. And then finally, inches to centimeters. There are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. So with that last conversion, I could get to my unknown of centimeters. So let's go ahead and fill that into our railroad track then. I always start with units. So if units of yards are in the numerator and I need to cancel those out, I need to put them in the denominator. And then if I look at my little pattern up here that I want to follow, I want to go from yards to feet, so I'll put feet in here. Once I have my units in place, then I'll put my numbers. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. Then I'll bring my next railroad track over. So feet to inches, feet are on top. I want to put those in the bottom so they will cancel out. And then inches go on top. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So I've gotten from yards to feet to inches, and now I need to go to centimeters. So another railroad track. Inches are on top, put them on the bottom so they can cancel out. And then centimeters go on top. And I determined earlier that there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Next thing I'm going to do is double check my units by canceling them out. So this yard will cancel with that yard. This foot up here will cancel with that foot down there. And then this inch will cancel with this inch down here. Your final step is to use your calculator to determine the answer. So 15 times 3 times 12 times 2.54 gives me 1,370, and I'm going to round that. The 6 will cause the 1 to round to a 2. So 1,372. And my unit, the only one that I haven't canceled, centimeters.